Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're exploring a product that brings a touch of India's culinary expertise right into your kitchen, the Tabakh Prime Indian Mixer Grinder. A kitchen essential for anyone who enjoys cooking Indian cuisine or for those who simply appreciate high-quality appliances. This mixer grinder promises power, precision, and durability, but does it live up to its claims? Let's take a closer look. The Tabakh Prime Indian Mixer Grinder stands out with its sleek, aesthetic design, coupled with a robust ABS body that's not only elegant but impact-resistant. Its build feels sturdy, giving a solid first impression. You'll find 3 jars included in the set: a 0.5-liter chutney jar, a 1-liter jar, and a 1.5-liter jar, all designed for various cooking needs. Whether you're grinding spices, making chutneys, or preparing batters, the different jar sizes provide flexibility for different tasks. At the heart of this mixer grinder is a 650-watt motor. For those familiar with kitchen appliances, that's a good amount of power to tackle tough grinding tasks. It operates on 110 volts, which makes it ideal for homes in the USA and Canada. Additionally, the motor is backed by a 12-month warranty, which is reassuring if you're investing in something that will see frequent use. The vacuum rubber boots on the base of the unit ensure a firm grip while operating, which adds an extra layer of safety and stability. Now let's talk about real-world use. Setting up the Tabakh Prime Indian Mixer Grinder is straightforward. The instructions are clear, and the jars are easy to attach and detach. I tested this grinder with a few staple Indian recipes, grinding fresh spices, preparing a thick coconut chutney, and even making a dosa batter. The motor is impressively powerful, grinding spices finely and quickly, without the usual lag that some lower-powered grinders experience. The chutney jar, though small, handled its task with ease, giving a smooth consistency to the chutney without any effort. I also used the 1.5-liter jar to grind large quantities of dosa batter, and the mixer handled it well, without overheating or causing any issues. That said, there are a couple of things to note. The 650-watt motor is efficient for everyday tasks, but might not be the best option for those who need to handle large-scale, heavy-duty grinding. For instance, if you're regularly grinding large batches of tough grains or beans, this may feel a little underpowered compared to more industrial-grade grinders. Also, while the vacuum rubber boots offer a solid grip, the machine can still move slightly when grinding denser ingredients at full power, so keep an eye on that. When it comes to build quality, the Tabakh Prime feels solid, but it is important to remember that it's built for regular, everyday use, not for commercial-grade tasks. The ABS plastic body, while durable and impact-resistant, does feel lighter than some of the metal alternatives available. This is a trade-off between weight and durability, but for home use, it strikes a good balance. As for longevity, it's still a bit early to speak to how it holds up over time, but based on the warranty and construction quality, it seems like a product that can last with proper care. In terms of value for money, the Tabakh Prime Indian Mixer Grinder offers a competitive price point, especially when compared to similar products from more widely recognized brands. The powerful motor, varied jar sizes, and vacuum rubber boots all add to the appeal. However, in terms of raw power, there are options out there that may outperform this grinder, especially if you're looking for something to handle large or tough batches regularly. But if you're a home cook looking for a reliable, aesthetically pleasing, and efficient mixer grinder for daily use, the Tabakh Prime provides excellent value. When comparing it to other products in the same price range, the Tabakh Prime stands out for its unique combination of design and functionality. Brands like Preeti and Sumit offer similar products with comparable features, but their motors typically range between 550 and 750 watts. The Tabakh Prime slots in the middle, and while it may not be the absolute most powerful option on the market, its design and features are well suited for most home kitchens. What sets it apart from competitors, however, is the warranty and the customer support available in the USA, which can be a significant advantage. For customer support, it's worth noting that the Tabakh Prime offers a 12-month warranty with a service center located in Illinois. This could be a game changer if you ever face issues. I haven't personally needed to reach out to customer support, But knowing that there's a service center in the US makes this product more appealing for buyers concerned about after-sales support. Now, let's talk final thoughts. The Tabakh Prime Indian Mixer Grinder delivers on its promises of power, ease of use, and reliability. It's not perfect, especially for heavy-duty grinding, but for regular home cooking, it's a fantastic choice. Its solid motor, efficient grinding, and thoughtful design make it a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances without breaking the bank. If you're someone who often makes chutneys, batters, or fine spice powders, this could be an excellent addition to your kitchen. Just be mindful of the size of the batches you're preparing, as larger, tougher jobs might not be as quick or easy. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this review or have any thoughts or questions about the Tabakh Prime Mixer Grinder, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated with more honest, in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy cooking and goodbye. Till next time from Reviews Inside TV.